Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from National Project Construction Corporation Limited, that is NPCC. Name of post is Deputy Manager Finance. Here the qualification asked is either a CA or CMA. Here upper age limit is 30 years as on 30th November 2022. So do keep this in mind. Total number of vacancies are 15, out of which 8 are for unreserved category candidate, and place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. Here you need to have 3 years of experience, and if you are working in government sector, at least 2 years experience should be one step below pay scale. And if you are working in non-government sector, then CTC has to be 3 lakhs and above. I don't know why they have mentioned just 3 lakhs, but anyways, that is the experience asked for. The full details about the experience and the conditions in the notification, I will provide the link in the description. The pay scale is rupees 40,000 to 1,40,000. Mode of application is offline, and you have to send your application by 11th January 2023. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to tell you that at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses related to your PSU examination. You can refer to the Finance MCQ website and check the desired course, and you can take the demo, and if you apply the coupon code mentioned on your screen, you will get a flat discount on the course price. So all the best. Friends, next vacancy is again from the National Projects Construction Corporation Limited. Here the name of post is Manager Finance. Here the qualification asked is again same, CA or CMA. Here upper age limit is 35 years as on 30th November 2022. The total vacancies are 5, out of which 3 are for unreserved category candidate, and place of posting is again all over India. Nature of employment is permanent. Here you need to have 8 years of experience, and if you are working in government sector, again 2 years experience asked in one step below pay scale, and if you are working in non-government sector, then CTC has to be 6 lakhs and above, then only you are eligible. Here your pay scale will be in the range of 50,000 to 1,60,000. It's a basic pay scale. Mode of application is again offline, and last date to apply is 11th January 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Small Industrial Development Bank of India, that is SIDBI. Name of post is Assistant Manager for Journal Stream. Qualification asked is either a postgraduate, and the preference should be in commerce, economics, etc. That is basically the commerce division. You should be a CA, CMA, CFA, CS, then you are eligible. Age limit is 28 years as on 14th December 2022. There are total 100 vacancies, and place of posting will be all over India. It's a permanent vacancy. You don't need to have any prior experience. Here your pay scale will be approx 70,000 per month. Mode of application is online, and last date to apply is 3rd January 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Airport Authority of India Northern Region, basically for Chandigarh, Delhi, Haryana, UP, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, MP, J&K and Ladakh region. Candidates are eligible to apply. Name of post is Senior Assistant Finance. Here the qualification asked is graduate, preferably BCom, with computer training course of 3 to 6 months. Age limit is 30 years as on 30th November 2022. Total 16 vacancies are there, out of which 8 are for unreserved category candidate, rest are for reserved category. Place of posting will be in the northern region, as I mentioned earlier. It's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 2 years experience in the concerned discipline. Here your pay scale will be 36,000 to 1,10,000. You have to apply through online mode by 20th January 2023. And friends, we also have this Airport Authority Senior Assistant Finance exam course available on Finance MCQ website. If you want, you can refer that course also for your preparation. Friends, next vacancy is from Balmer Loris Company Limited. Name of post is Junior Officer Finance and Accounts, and another vacancy for Junior Officer Stores and Purchases. Here the qualification asked is same for both the posts, that is BCom. The upper age limit is 25 years as on 6th January 2023. So do keep this in mind. It's a forward date. The total 2 vacancy, one in finance accounts area and another one in stores and purchases, and the place of posting will be in Kolkata. It's a permanent vacancy. You need to have at least 1 year of prior experience in the respective field. Here your pay scale will be 21,750 to 65,000. You have to apply through online mode by 6th January 2023. Friends, next vacancy is a reminder vacancy from Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. Here the name of post is Assistant Grade 1. Qualification qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks with English typing speed of 30 words per minute and certificate course on computer of minimum 6 months duration. Then you are eligible to apply. Here the upper age limit is 28 years. Total number of vacancies are 24. Place of posting will be in Gujarat. These are permanent vacancy. You don't need to have any prior experience. Here your package will be 5.4 lakhs. You have to apply through online mode by 5th January 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Hindustan Aeronauticals Limited. Here the name of post is stores or purchase assistant trainee. Qualification asked is degree in commerce, arts or science with minimum 50% marks plus computer proficiency certificate of minimum 3 months duration. Then you are eligible to apply. Here the upper age limit is 33 years. The total 3 vacancy for ST category candidates and place of posting is in Hyderabad. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. Initially training period for 1 year will be there. Experience asked is nil and your per month salary during training will be 29,656 plus HRA. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 8th January 2023. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization. Here the name of post is assistant accounts trainee. Qualification asked is degree in commerce with minimum 50% marks plus computer certificate of minimum 3 months duration. Here the upper age limit is 33 years. There are total 1 vacancy for ST category candidates. Place of posting is in Hyderabad. Again it's a permanent employment. No prior experience asked. Here per month salary and last date of application is same as that in the previous slide. Friends, next vacancy is from National Waqf Development Corporation Limited. Name of post is young professional finance. Qualification asked is PG in finance or MBA finance with minimum 50% marks. Here the upper age limit is 32 years. There is 1 vacancy and in New Delhi it's a contractual vacancy. You need to have 1 years of experience and your per month salary will be 45,000. You have to email your details at the given mentioned email ID by 23rd December 2022. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you find that this video might be useful. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next week.